ensure our wheels have continuous cuts when being manufactured, we employ our exclusive air blast technology to cool down the tools on our machines. By using our air blast in conjunction with traditional cooling system, we are better able to control the quality of the wheels we produce. So we just cut these wheels. They're the VMP 302, and this is going to be a 21 and a 22-inch rear. They're going to be for a Ferrari 488 GTB factory Ferrari center caps, because a lot of customers like to retain the factory look. These are going to be spec'd just for that car, and just as every other wheel, we always make the wheels specific to the vehicle. So the 22-inch rear, it's obviously a little bit larger in diameter, but for the rear it also has a little bit more of a concave, so you can see the profile of the wheel changes for the concavity. And on the Ferrari, we're going to be running a pretty aggressive lip in the back. It's at least a 3-inch lip. Get that nice dramatic look with the design of the wheel. And then the front is a 21. It's not quite as aggressive because it has to clear the carbon ceramic brakes on the Ferrari. Yeah, so we're about to take these wheels over to the powder coat. They're going to be finished in a high polished, transparent bronze. So take them over there, bring them back, put them together, and see how it looks.